Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic is probability mass function and distribution. Let us see what are the contents we have to study in this session is probability mass function, example problem of problem mass, applications of problem mass, probability distribution, example problem of probability distribution and applications of probability distribution. Probability mass function. Probability mass is defined as the function which gives the probability that a discrete random variable is exactly equal to same value. It is also known as discrete probability density function. The probability mass function is often the primary means of defining a discrete probability distribution, and such functions exist for either scalar or multivariate random variables whose domain is discrete. If for each value xi of a discrete random variable x, we assign a real number p of xi such that p of xi is greater than or equal to 0, summation of p of xi is equal to 1, then the function p of x is called a probability function. If the probability that x takes the values xi is pi, then p of x is equal to xi is equal to pi or p of xi. Then the set of values xi, p of xi is called discrete or finite probability distribution of discrete random variable x. The function p of x is called the probability density function or the probability mass function. Mean is calculated by the following formula. Summation of xi, p of x, variation is calculated by the formula summation xi square p of x is equal to mu square. Problem based on probability mass function. A coin is tossed twice. A random variable x represents the number of heads turned up. Find the discrete probability distribution of x. Also determine its mean and variance. Here x values 0, 1, 2. P of x values 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. S is equal to head head, head tile, tile head, tile tile. S is equal to 2, 1, 1, 0. P of x is equal to 1 by 4. P of x is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by 2. P of 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Here the mean value is, here the formula summation of xi p of xi is equal to, here the final mean value is the 1. Here the variance formula is summation of xi square p of x minus u square is equal to, here the final value is variance 1 by 2. Mean is 1 and variance is 1 by 2. Applications of probability mass function. Applications are as follows: statistics and data analysis. Probability mass function are used extensively in statistics to analyze and model discrete data. They help in understanding the of different outcomes in scenarios such as survey responses, game outcomes or product defect rates. Quality control. In manufacturing process, probability mass function can model the probability distribution of defective products or faults in production line, adding the in quality control strategies. Probability distribution. A probability distribution is a mathematical function that describes the likelihood of different outcomes or events in a particular scenario. It provides a way to qualify uncertainty by assigning probabilities to various possible outcomes of a random experiment or a random variable. Discrete probability distribution. This type of distribution is associated with discrete random variables which have a countable number of possible outcomes. Examples include the binomial distribution, Poisson distribution and geometric distribution. Continuous probability distribution. Continuous distribution applied to continuous random variables that can take any value within a specified range. Examples include the normal distribution, exponential distribution and uniform distribution. Example for probability distribution. Show that the following distribution represents a discrete probability distribution. Find the mean and variance. Here the x values is 10, 20, 30 and 40. P of x values is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. We observe that P of x is greater than 0 and sum of P of x is equal to 1. Here the mean value is, here the formula to find the mean, summation xi p of xi. Here the finally mean value is 25 and the variance. Find the formula p of xi square p of x minus u square. The final variance value is 75. Mean value is 25 and variance value is 75. Applications of probability distribution, engineering and physics. In engineering, probability distribution are used to model the reliability of systems, failure rates and lifetimes of components in physics. Distribution describe phenomena such as particle decay, energy levels and quantum states, telecommunications and networking. Probability distribution are used to model the traffic packet arrival times and signal strength variation in communication networks. They aid in designing and optimizing network protocols and resource allocation. Machine learning and data science. Probability distribution are fundamental in machine learning for modeling data and uncertainty. They are used in various algorithms for Gaussian mixture models, hidden Markov models and Bayesian inference methods. Thank you.